Today, I'll show you how to share Microsoft Planner link. First, open Microsoft Planner in your browser, or open your Planner board from Microsoft Teams. Sign in with the Microsoft account you use for your work or school organization. Now, open the plan that you want to share. Once the plan is open, look at the address bar at the top of your browser. If you are using Planner in the browser, the easiest way to share the plan link is to copy the web address from the address bar. Click the address bar, then copy the link. On Windows, press Ctrl+C. On Mac, press Command+C. Now you can send the link through email, Microsoft Teams, chat, or any other message app. But remember, the person receiving the link must have permission to access the plan. If they are not a member of the connected Microsoft 365 group, they may not be able to open it. To share access, open the plan and look for the Members area near the top of the screen. You may see Members, Group Members, or a people icon. Click it, then add the person by name or email address. After they are added to the plan or group, they should be able to open the Planner link. If you are using Microsoft Teams, open the team and channel where the Planner tab is added, click the Planner tab, then use the tab menu or the three dots near the top. Look for an option like Copy Link to Tab or Share Link. Copy that link and send it to the person who needs it. Again, they must have access to the team or the connected plan, or the link will not work for them. You can also share a link to a specific task. Open the task card in Planner. Look for the three dots or more options inside the task window. Choose Copy Link to Task, if that option is available. Then send that task link to your teammate. This is useful when you want someone to check one specific task instead of the full plan. So, to keep it simple, open the plan, copy the link from the browser, or use the Copy Link option in Teams. Then make sure the person has permission to access the plan. And that's how you share Microsoft Planner link. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.